Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be setting up like the first full week of February using our Boo Valentine bundle that we have in our shop. So the Boo Valentine bundle, it comes with the standard kit and then also with a die cut that has like a sparkle overlay on the top of it. It's very pretty. So I'll kind of show you what this kit looks like, and after I will kind of like jump ahead and show you how I laid it out in my planner. So first is the die cut, and we still do have bundles available. I will put the link below in the description for if you wanted to get this for your own planner. So here's the die cut, and then the kit. It's super cute, and it has our new layout for our Kawaii Boo Bear stickers. So the first page has the full boxes, and for our Kawaii kits, we're no longer doing it with foil on it, just because I felt like it kind of clashed with the Kawaii-ness of it. So we're just going to be doing non-foil kits this year for our Boo Bear. So the first page, or the first page of the bundle has the full boxes. It says "Be My Boo" on this box, which is a play on words for Boo Bear. And we have Boo with like a box of chocolates opening up a gift with heart balloons inside of it. And then it looks like she's holding a love letter and some flowers here. And then holding a heart, and that's actually the die cut. And then a scene here with like the heart background and Cupid and a couple. And then lastly, Boo with some heart balloons. And then it says the 14th to celebrate Valentine's Day. The next sheet, we have our Monday through Sunday and our washi strips. After that, we have our flags at the top, and we also have our layering pieces, which are the same. And then the checkmark boxes are different. We have squares instead of the bows, just so it's easier to checkmark as you go. And at the bottom, we have heart checklist flags. Next, we have the thin washi, and then some scalloped half circles, and then some checkered strips with kawaii bows on the inside of it. Then our headers and glitter headers, and the font of this matches the font off to the side. It's more like kawaii and fun, so it matches with that. And then we have our heart date dots, and we have the Monday through Sunday box. Over here we have some cute kawaii functional items that you can use. We have some like thought bubbles, speech bubbles, some heart reactions, and then here's like those little pins that you drop, so if you're like visiting somewhere or showing that you're going to the store or whatever, you can use that. And then some mail, some bigger of those bows that you saw earlier as singlets, and then some arrows. And then at the top here we have like the movie plaque, so you could write like a show or movie you're watching that week. And then at the bottom we have some more kawaii accents off to the side, and then some script like plan, positives, goals, currently reading, watching, listening, and grocery list. And then we have the weekend. Next page we have the deco of Boo Bear and all the things that she is doing. And then we have some cute hearts and Be My Boos. And then lastly, we have the functional page. So I'm going to use all these stickers to decorate the first like full week of February, and I will be right back, and I'll kind of flip through and show you what I did with it in my Hobonichi cousin planner. I forgot to mention too, totally just brain farted, but the Boo Valentine bundle also comes with this quarter sheet that has the artwork of Boo doing those various things on the page, so I will include this as well in my spread. Hi everyone, I'm back, and I'm going to show you my finished week that I completed using the Boo Bear Valentine bundle. So this is this week. Okay, so here's the first day. I just love the deco. It's super cute. And I kind of set it up to where the page is sectioned off in 2 sections. This is kind of like my to-do area at the top for the day, and then the bottom half of it is kind of like my reflection or any notes of the day. So here's the first page. I've bordered a lot of the full boxes with the glitter headers. The next 2 days, I love the font too so much for the Monday, or just in general, the font that's on this kit. So I have the double box here, Be My Boo, and then I added the Boo die cut with the glitter overlay on top of it in the corner. And then here are some of those kawaii accents that we added to the kit. So that's Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday. Look how cute! Oh my goodness, I just can't get over it. And then Saturday and Sunday. This is the deco sheet, the quarter sheet. And then I have my weekend banner with the Boo Bear from the quarter sheet as Cupid. Be My Boo, and then the sectioning that I just kind of kept consistent. I really like the checkered strips too as well with the bows on it. Then I have a little thought bubble for the evening on Sunday. So yeah, this is my week with the Boo kit. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump ahead and show you my next week since I already set that up too. I set it up using our kit Fairy Tale, and this is the actual week of Valentine's Day. So this is the Fairy Tale in the gold hollow foil. And I believe I pretty much set it up the same way with the work part at the top and then like the thoughts at the bottom. And this Fairy Tale kit very much makes me think of like Belle from our Beauty and the Beast because of all the books in it and the teacups and the roses. I bordered this page with the tooth and washi strips. Then Friday and Saturday, the roses are just so beautiful. And then we have the Sunday of that week. So I just thought to show you that since I'm already showing you a Valentine's Day kit. So yeah, this is kind of like what I have for the month of February so far with my planner. If you're interested in either of these kits or in the bundle, I will link it below in the description. Comment below what you think of the new formatting for the Boo Bear Kawaii kits that we do. Also, maybe comment below what you plan on doing for Valentine's Day. I think Ryan and I are going to go to like a nice restaurant and we might watch a movie, but I'm not sure if there's anything really coming out on Valentine's Day, so we'll see. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated, or if you're just like really into planning and stickers and fun decorative stuff. And I hope that you all have a fabulous rest of your month and beginning of February. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.